Hi there, my name is Hassan and today I'm here to tell you how to make your website link worthy. Well, the less useful your content is, the less likely you are able to get a link to your website. And let me repeat this, the less useful your content is, the less likely you are able to get a link. If you think what I mean by the word useful content, those are the websites which provide rich quality content on a specific subject. By quality content, I mean the websites like nih.gov. They are the ones that provides niche specific information and not just information but detailed research content about all major health related issues generated by experts in the field. Well, the reality is that we all don't have access to create a website like nih.gov. So, what to do here if we don't have reference to quality content? And if you don't have quality content, you will have to reach out affiliate marketers, you will have to pay bloggers, which actually doesn't help you in a longer run. Well, the issue which I see over here is that people accept the reality, but still they need link to their website. So what is a link worthy website, or how to create a link worthy website if you are selling small gadgets? I will give you an example. Like if you are having a store where you're selling ties, you are selling bow ties, you are selling neckties, you are selling pocket squares. So the question over here is that why would anyone link to your website if you are having just products and nothing else? So now to get started, what if you create a comprehensive knotting guide covering all types of knots that a man should know? Or what if you create a comprehensive guide with around 30 different styles of pocket squares? Well, this is an excellent example of a website which is not just selling ties but is also providing excellent information to the community and definitely to their website. Well, now the bloggers who write about ties, who are fashion lovers, they will definitely link to your website. And also, like, just to tell you, this isn't a hypothetical example. There is a website known as ties.com that is actually doing the same thing, and they are having hundreds of unique domain linking. So the ultimate goal of any website is definitely sales, but a website selling just product is far different from a website giving off reference to a quality content on a specific subject written by experts. NIH or ties.com might be different from each other, but they have one thing in common. They provide specific information written by passionate experts. So the bottom line is that add great content to your website, because useful content do get links but product don't. Well, this was all for today. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will answer them out personally.